What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to talk about stoichiometry again, but here we are relating the masses of two reactants to each other. So the question is saying what mass of O2 is consumed in the complete combustion of 6.86 grams of triethylene glycol C6H14O4. So we have the mass of triethylene glycol and we want to know how much of oxygen is consumed. So as you see here, this reaction is balanced. So we have 2, 15, 12 and 14. So it means that for every 2 moles of triethylene glycol, we consumed 15 moles of oxygen. So we need to have 2 moles from triethylene glycol and 15 moles of oxygen in order to have a stoichiometric complete combustion. So first of all, we need to know the triethylene glycol number of moles from this mass, and then we need to know the molar mass, 6 times 12.01, which is the atomic mass of carbon, 14 times 1.008, which is the atomic mass of hydrogen, and 4 times 15.999. That makes it 150.168 grams per mole. So if I want to find the number of moles, divide mass by molar mass, 6.86 divided by 150.168. That makes it 0.45 or 0.46 if you round it, moles. So for 2 moles triethylene glycol, we reacted with 50 moles of oxygen. Right now we have 0.046 moles. How many moles of oxygen? So we do cross multiplication. 2 times x equals to 15 times 0.046. So 15 times 0.046, that makes it 0.69. So x will be 0.69 divided by 2, which is 0.345 moles. So that's the number of moles needed for oxygen. How do we find the mass of oxygen? It's going to be 0.345 times 32, 11.04 grams. It's going to be the amount of oxygen we need in order to react with 6.86 grams of triethylene glycol. So this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a great day.